Logistics moves fast. Every day, the market grows more competitive, and for many companies, visibility online simply isn't keeping up. When someone searches for a courier, a freight forwarder, or a 3PL provider, the company they find first wins the work. If you aren't visible at that moment, your competitors take the lead. Because today, every buyer starts their search online. In a growing industry, multi-location providers depend on strong local SEO to appear across every depot and service area. But most logistics sites carry hidden issues: slow pages, duplicate content, mobile problems, and broken international signals. Fixing those foundations, organizing content, and structuring every offer clearly is what turns a website into a lead generator. When everything is optimized, clarity rises, and rankings follow. Authority grows through coverage in industry magazines, associations, partners, and digital PR. Real signals search engines trust. And when those signals connect, content, authority, local SEO, and technical health, your site becomes a reliable source for high-value inquiries. If you want predictable growth, stronger visibility, and more transport and logistics work, your SEO needs to be as reliable as your operations. Commerce tuned, logistics SEO done properly.